Before we start, shout out to Shasian731 from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Follow us also on Facebook. Epson L3110 L3210 L3150 L3250 L1210 L5290 L3110 L1210 L1250 L3216. The problem is error code 000210, paper jam, but no jam paper. Causes: over the travel head, misaligned encoder disk, dirty encoder strip sensor, and encoder disk sensor. Bent flex wire that cause obstruction to the printer head carriage. Wire gets stuck or obstructs to the printer carriage when moving. Remedy: before taking it to the technician to save money, 1. Check if there is a foreign object inside the printer, like coins, paper clips, toy small parts, staple wire, etc. Remove it. 2. Clean all sensors, like the encoder strip sensor and disk sensor. 3. If the flex wire are bent, replace printer head flex wire that causing obstruction to printer head carriage. Or a temporary remedy using a small wire to keep the flex wire away from the moving printer head. Do this at your own risk. If the problem persists, it is time to take the printer to a technician. Check the related video for other related Epson lights error problems. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Guide on how to disassemble side panel of Epson L3110, L3210, L3150, L3250, and other model with same printer structure? Watch this video. I applied Scotch tape to the scanner unit to prevent it from coming loose accidentally while removing the side panel. If the unit came off, the scanner flex wire could break.